G'day, I'm Crybaby Cowboy, and this week we're still doing the Chook series. Today we're gonna belt out a quick chicken and rice dish. Nothing like a quickie. And this one is quick. You can make this very quick by taking the roast chook we did earlier and the lemon chicken rice and adding some veggies. Look in the flonk below for more information on how to roast and break down a chook. Jim, what's a flonk? This recipe is rice that's cooked in an oven. Check your pack of rice for the amount of water you need for the absorption method. If you throw a chook over it, some moisture can cook out because it won't be sealed in. Slice up some capsicum, beans, or whatever veggies you want and keep them ready to go. Once your chook is done, rip it out so it can rest. Bung the veggies on top of the rice. Have a squiz at your rice while you're there. See if it needs any more water. Once it's set, back in your oven and roast up your veggies. When it's done, rip it out. Grab the lemons from inside your chook and stir the fruity pulp through the rice. Maybe season it with salt if it needs it. Plate up with rice, veggies, and your chook leg. You can also put the veggies on top of the chook to look more posh. There, a very quick chicken and rice recipe. It will spend more time in your mouth than it took for you to whip it out. There are more recipes that you can do. Look in the flonk below. Stares sensually. For more like this, like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Crybaby Cowboy Bonza Pedate. What do you mean more sensual, Jim? Like that?